guys, welcome to my channel. It's down on bended knees. Here, I know I'm in my car. I'm going to warn you that for the most part, my car will be the the place where we're going to chit chat and talk. One, because it's the most times I know I'm going to have uninterrupted quietness. With 6 children, it's yeah. With 6 children, it's very hard for me to have the time to myself and things like that. So I know that. So on the way to different things where I'm going, this will be, where the main, a lot of, not everything, not all the time, but a lot of my videos will be mostly in the car. So here on my channel, it's called, again, it's Down Over the Knees. Here on my channel is going to be honest and transparent talk. Basically, I'm going to be talking about me and the things that I went through. I've been through a lot in my life, and I have learned a lot. And many times I may have conversations with different people, and the hours of the day does not give us enough time to really, go into different things and how. So it's very short, and so and a lot of times people say, oh my goodness, you should talk to this person, you should talk to that person, and they could help you can help them over here and there. And so I decided to do a channel and just be truthful. I know when I was growing up, a lot of times people, like, when they do talk, even in as far as being saved, supposedly people who are supposed to be saved, they will beat around a bush about a lot of different things. And family, no family, friends, no friends, they would not be 100% honest and transparent. So here we would get 100% honesty and 100 transparency. There are times where I'm going to be talking about things that I'm not going to necessarily give out real names, just because this is still social media. But for the most part, you will get the honesty and transparency of basically my life and being saved. That's a big thing, because in these days of the world, it's sometimes people go to church and that's it, and we are not going to talk about just and I so that's what it is. So people have been asking for it. Said I should have been doing it for a long time, and this was years in the making. People have been asking, like, when you going to make a channel, when you going to put it out there, and different things like that. There's some things I'm going to put out here, and there's some things that I'm going to have in my Patreon, which I will link eventually link in the I'm still setting that up to for everyone, you guys, to go more in depth into some things like forgiveness. I know people have hard times to forgive, but we know that if you don't forgive, God will not forgive you. So and different things like that. How to be able to live after rape, and I mean really live after rape. I'm not talking about you still holding on to the rape. I'm talking about like really live after rape, where you can see the person that raped you and don't have any animosity, not angry or anything. So and all those different things. So all these things will be coming up. So you can like and subscribe so that you can get everything and don't miss nothing. But yes, 100% honesty and transparency. That's what this is going to be. I think that a lot of times people are looking for honesty and transparency, and they're not getting that. They're getting the beating around the bush, or I want to say what I'm going to say because I want people to like me. For the most part, I'm used to people not liking me, so I'm not even out here trying to say things just for people to get to like me. That's not going to happen. It is inevitable. I'm never going to fit in. I never did fit in, and I'm never going to fit in. So, but that's what we're going to come here. If you want honesty, you want truth, you come to the right place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get all the videos and don't miss any when they come on. See y'all in the next video. We're going to talk about, you know, regular things, just life itself. But also have, you know, different things. Let me show you. Because I paparazzi. I am a paparazzi consultant. So this is one. Let's see if y'all can get it. Like here's one. So I might have like the Paparazzi Wednesday. I do have my my paparazzi video coming up. The unboxing. I just became a consultant, so that will be coming up. So it's not just going to be us chit chat and talking about life, but it's also going to be about different things, like different businesses that I may that I started, I'm about to start. I am working on writing on a book. I'll be talking to y'all later about that. But different things. So it's basically learning how to, you know, have an abundant life. Right? He said that he came that we have life and abundantly. So there's different things that, you know, that I will have like on Wednesdays, probably a Paparazzi Wednesday, and you know, other different things that different days. I'm not, because I was going to have like more than one channel about, like, this is my business channel where we talk about business, you know, like side businesses like Uber, Instacart, things like that. And then this is the channel for this, but I don't have all that time to do all of that. So we're just going to put it all together. It's just going to be, you know, uploads on different days for different things. So I haven't decided all yet exactly what days and what everything's going to be. But again, first right now we're going to start off I'll probably do Wednesdays for Paparazzi Wednesdays. And then I'll put up everything on Wednesday, how I started. We like I said, I just started this month. I just, you know, got my kit. For the most part, I like the jewelry, and I didn't want to keep paying $5 for it. So that's the main reason why I became a consultant. And this month they are giving you extra pieces. So I did get the biggest kit. The biggest kit comes with 50 extra pieces. I'll put the link down below, but 50 extra pieces. And then like the middle kit, which is like $300, they that comes with 30 extra pieces, and then the smallest one, which is $100, come with 10 extra pieces. So, but the biggest kit come with your convention ticket, as well as to their convention, right, to the convention. So it comes with a convention ticket already in, as well as 50 extra pieces. So I felt as though, you know, if I spent $5 on just 35 pieces, which is the smallest kit, I'm spending way more than $100. I'm spending $175. So that's the main reason why I became a paparazzi consultant, because I really like the jewelry and I wanted to not pay $5 for it. I wanted to pay less than $5 for it. So, but I'll make Paparazzi Wednesday, where I talk about the jewelry I may have, new ones I might be coming up with, you know, other different things, the website, how to make a website, different things like that. Shopify store, I do have one. Different things, all those different things. Maybe Business Monday. I don't know how we're going to do this thing, but we're going to do this together. But again, stay tuned for. I think the first video might pop up is going to be the paparazzi, and then after that we're going to have just a couple of things that I wanted to really start off, as far as like the, you know, chit chat. But stay tuned.